Good afternoon, guys. I am Francis, and I am going to discuss everything about questioning. As we observe, teachers keep on asking questions after their discussions, or in some instances, they're asking, "Is there any questions?" So, we're going to find out why they keep on doing those things. View to you my slide about questioning. So, there you go. And as you see, a smiley is asking questions. Maybe I think because he wasn't able to fully understand the discussion of his teacher. And as you see, a quote by Frank Moore Colby: "Clever people seem not to feel the natural pleasure of bewilderment, and are always answering questions when the chief relish of a life is to go on asking them." Then there you go. First, let me be the one to define you what is a question. A question is any sentence which has an interrogative form or function. When we ask question, it should be, the intonation should be at the end part. For example, who are you? Diba? So, it persuades somebody that's supposed to answer the question. Next, it may either a linguistic expression used to make a request for information, or else the request itself made by such an expression. When we ask questions, our facial expression is also included in asking questions. For example, you're asking, but the facial expression that you express is not really asking questions. So, the one who are you are asking, is he able to answer your question? Next, this information is provided with an answer. Of course, every question should have an answer. So, why do you keep on asking questions if there are no answer? Next, what is questioning? Questioning is a situation in which somebody is asked a lot of questions, especially formally or officially, or an instance of this. Questioning is a situation wherein you're going to ask some questions, and then in response, somebody will answer your question. It defined as instructional cues or stimuli that convey to students the content elements to be learned and directions for what they are to do and how they are to do it. For example, you are going to command any command, and then first you are going to discuss the process, and then after that you're going to ask question if the student really understand what they are doing later on. I'm going to discuss the purposes of teachers' classroom questions. First, it develops interest and motivates students to become actively involved in lessons. If we ask questions, the student was forced to answer the questions being asked. Because of this, their interest was nurtured, their interest was become more wider, and at the same time, classroom participation is already enhanced because there is participation, there is an interaction between the one who is asking question and the one who is answering the question. Evaluate students' preparation and check on homework or seat work completion. For some instances, questioning serves as an evaluation for the teachers if the student really understand what he is discussing for. And then, because of asking questions, if the student was able to answer the questions correctly, it is already related to the seat work or homework, because if they perform their homework at home or seat work at the classroom, they can able to cope up, they can able to answer the questions and the problems you're going to give, because they understand what you are talking about. Develop critical thinking skills and inquiring attitudes. Of course, if we ask questions that is slightly questions that is slightly uneasy for them, they're going to use their critical thinking skills for being able for them to answer the question. And because of this, their attitude of thinking, critical thinking, and creative thinking was also nourished. Is to review and summarize previous lessons. Previous lessons are also important to be able for them to cope up with the next lesson. For example, multiplication discussions. They weren't able to go to the other discussions if they weren't able to understand the multiplication. And it also summarizes the topic. For example, if you ask questions about the topic and they were able to understand and to answer it correctly from one point to another point, and then a specific topic was already summarized about it.